I'm Queen V and welcome to my channel. I normally share videos about beauty, fitness, and practical tips and some bug reviews. Especially if you are in your 50s, you will appreciate my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you the eyeliner that I just recently purchased from SM Aura in the look section. If you haven't been there, look section of SM Aura is actually a good place if you are a beauty enthusiast because you will find a lot of luxury brands and nice brands of makeup and other beauty items. Okay, but before that, let me share with you the current eyeliner that I use. By the way, my setup is different because I am currently at my mother's house because our house or my room is being renovated. Just to show you quickly, this is my parents' house and this is our family. As what all parents pride, all our graduation pictures are displayed here. These are my brothers and my sisters, and that's me on the right side. So our family is big, so there are 7 of us, and of course my parents. Okay, so before reviewing this Teviant eyeliner, let me share with you the current eyeliner that I use. First is this, I believe this is Max Factor. So actually, I like this because even if it's pen type, the tip is very soft. So I can easily glide it here. So I like it very much. I believe this is 350 pesos. Okay, and then another one that I use is this Almay. This is very cheap. I believe this is just 100 plus pesos. But if you are buying this from the US inside Target, I believe this is just $1 because before I used to buy there when I travel. Okay, another one that I use is this one, Bobbi Brown. So I actually have two, the black and the dark brown. When I bought this in actually package, which comes with these two and the applicator. But you don't find it in the usual store because I believe this is limited edition inside the airport. So I normally buy some beauty products or anything that I find it nice in the airport when I travel. But I went to Rustan's yesterday. Each of this cost 2,250. These eyeliners have been with me for many years already and it actually dried up already. So, I don't know if you can see. So, every time I use this, I just pop this inside the microwave for 30 seconds and then I wait for after that, I wait for 1 or 2 minutes, then I apply it. And it works well. Okay, this is gel type. And now, let's go to the eyeliner that I bought. The brand is Teviant. So this is made in Italy. Okay, it got my attention because of the packaging and it looks very nice when it's outside the box. I bought 2 items from Teviant. This is the liquid eyeliner and this is the eyebrow tint. Okay, today I use this in applying in correcting my eyebrows. So, nothing actually so special. But maybe my eyebrows are not really problematic. So, any brand will do. But I just tried it. It's okay. So, this is the one that I bought. Look at this one. The presentation or the packaging is nice. So, it's this one. The brand. And actually, let me just show you this one. The eyebrow kit. Look, it looks so class, right? Okay, so I bought this in SM Aura. So this is how it looks. It's pen type. So now let me apply it. I haven't applied any eyeliner now so that I can show it with you. So now, let me apply my eyeliner. By the way, I normally curl my lashes first before I apply my eyeliner, because when I curl my eyelashes after putting the eyeliner, there is this tendency that's the eyeliner sticking on my eye curler. So I just curl my eyelashes, and now let me apply it. Let's see if it glides easily. There. Actually, putting an eyeliner, especially liquid eyeliner, is a skill. I can still remember when I started learning how to do this. I was 22 years old, and I bought the cheapest eyeliner that I can buy, because I knew that definitely I can't perfect it. So until I am very comfortable, then that's the only time that I bought a little pricey liquid eyeliner. So it glides easily. And if you want to, let's say, make it thicker, I believe that's easier to do. Or if you want to put a wing, now let me do it on the other side. And let me put also a wing. There. It's nice, actually. The tip is soft. So that means that it can easily be applied here. And then normally I use mascara after I put my liquid eyeliner. So let me do that now. And there you go, my eye makeup is finished. Isn't it nice? I just use Maybelline mascara. I always buy Maybelline. Aside from it's not expensive, it's actually effective, or it's nice. And they have various types of mascara if you want. If you want your eyelashes to be long or heavy or thick, so they have various types of mascara. I am not comfortable in wearing false eyelashes, so I just use mascara for my eyelashes. Okay? So that's all I have for you for today. I believe I like the brand. The cost is $445. It's quite on a pricey side because the Maybelline or the, what's this? This one is just, I believe, 300 plus, but this is 445. And if you are interested also in buying their eyebrow tint, this is, there's no price. Here's the receipt. The price is $395. It's cheaper as compared to the liquid eyeliner. Okay? And they actually gave me a free item. And it comes in various colors. I believe there are around 5 or 6 colors. So you can choose from that colors. Okay, so again, so I hope that you enjoy watching this video. Till again, this is Queen B saying be amazing in your 50s. Thanks for watching. Bye!